The future of overland travel has arrived, and it doesn't whisper, it dominates. Meet the $2 million 8x8 luxury expedition truck, a colossal machine built to conquer highways, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels, a rolling fortress of luxury and power that turns every road into its kingdom. At first glance, the design alone tells you this truck means business. Towering above ordinary vehicles, its massive 8-wheel stance delivers an unmistakable presence that feels more like a military command vehicle than a traditional RV. The front fascia is bold and unapologetic, featuring a towering grille framed by aggressive LED lighting that slices through the night like a futuristic lighthouse. Wide, armored fenders wrap around enormous all-terrain tires, giving the truck a planted, unstoppable look. But this machine isn't just about brute strength, it's also about style. The long, sleek expedition body stretches behind the cab like a luxury train car, with panoramic windows reflecting the open sky and landscapes around it. Aerodynamic body lines soften its massive proportions while still maintaining an imposing profile. Whether parked at a luxury resort or rolling across a remote desert highway, this machine commands attention like nothing else on the road. Step inside, and the story shifts from rugged power to refined luxury. The interior feels less like a truck cabin and more like a 5-star penthouse on wheels. Premium leather surfaces wrap around sculpted seats designed for long-distance comfort, while polished metal accents and ambient lighting create a sophisticated atmosphere. In front of the driver, a massive digital cockpit stretches across the dashboard, transforming the driving experience into something closer to a high-tech command center. Large touchscreen displays manage navigation, vehicle diagnostics, climate control, and entertainment systems, all integrated into one seamless interface. Behind the cockpit, the living area reveals the true purpose of this expedition giant. Here you'll find a luxury lounge, a compact gourmet kitchen, and even a sleeping area that rivals high-end hotel suites. It's a home designed for adventure, allowing travelers to cross entire continents without sacrificing comfort. Of course, a vehicle this enormous needs serious power to move it. Underneath its massive body lies a heavy-duty powertrain engineered for endurance and capability. That means this giant can climb steep mountain trails, tow heavy loads, and cruise highways with surprising stability. But the real magic happens with the 8-wheel drivetrain. With 4 axles distributing power across the terrain, traction becomes nearly unstoppable. Sand, snow, mud, or rocky trails, this machine adapts effortlessly. Advanced suspension systems absorb brutal terrain while keeping the cabin remarkably smooth. It's the kind of capability that turns remote wilderness into your personal playground. Safety and innovation also play a huge role in this futuristic expedition platform. Modern driver assist technologies help control the massive vehicle with confidence. Adaptive cruise control, multi-camera systems, and advanced stability programs work together to keep the truck steady and predictable, even in challenging environments. Some models even include satellite communication systems and off-grid power solutions, ensuring you remain connected and self-sufficient no matter how far from civilization you travel. So where does this $2 million road monster fit in the market? Simply put, it sits in a category of its own. Traditional luxury RVs offer comfort, but few deliver the extreme off-road capability of an expedition truck. Meanwhile, military-grade off-road vehicles lack the luxury living space this machine provides. This vehicle bridges those worlds, creating an entirely new class of ultra-luxury adventure transport. For wealthy explorers, global adventurers, and collectors of extreme machines, the appeal is obvious. It's not just transportation, it's freedom. The freedom to travel anywhere, anytime, without limits. The $2 million 8x8 luxury expedition truck represents a bold vision of what the future of travel could look like. Massive, luxurious, and engineered for the toughest terrain on Earth. It proves that adventure and comfort no longer have to be opposites. And if you love seeing the most insane machines ever imagined, don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the vehicles shaping tomorrow, today. Now tell us in the comments, what feature of this incredible road monster impressed you the most?